In the crystal-clear Atlantic waters of the Faroe Islands, a new superfood is cultivated, seaweed, a real treasure trove of benefits. Seaweed is one of the natural sources of iodine, contains vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals like calcium and iron and polyunsaturated fatty acids, which are essential for the human body. By processing the harvested macroalgae, they add value to a variety of raw products. They can be used as food and animal feed, for cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, as well as fertilizer, biofuel, and packaging material. Front-runner in the developing of offshore seaweed cultivation systems is Ocean Rainforest in the Faroe Islands. Led by their pioneering founder in 2012, the company started to discover the highly untapped potential of seaweed and is today building up their business based on this huge and fast-growing market potential. Seaweed cultivation has a large business potential. It grows very fast without the need of fertilizers. It absorbs nitrogen and more CO2 than a tropical rainforest, fighting climate change and cleaning the ocean. Up to 6 harvests can be done from the same lines without reseeding, and 2 harvests per year are viable. It relieves pressure from arable land, and 2/3 of the surface of the earth being water, the areas available for cultivation are nearly unlimited. It's a sustainable alternative for food and feed and creates local jobs. In the Faroe Islands, seaweed already has been the driver for local development in a rural coastal area, and replication opportunities are open for anyone living next to the shore of the North Atlantic. Additionally, the cultivation system developed by Ocean Rainforest is now being adapted for kelp species in the Pacific Ocean in a demonstration project in California, USA.